Nice. I think we're cooked. I don't know. I do. Dude, this is actually just insane stuff. How the fuck do we just end up with Pudge anyway? How do we end up with Pudge out of all heroes, man? Just doing this shit. And I mean, it's just like we just lose the early game so much. This guy just leaves, doesn't do anything, and doesn't help mid. Even though I 1v2 top, like, don't get it twisted. Fuck, I lost. Alright, next game we get it back though. We get it back. Literally, I'm 1v2 and I still solo kill the Abaddon, and still, like, Disruptor hasn't done anything. Disruptor hasn't done anything on the map, dude. I don't understand what he did after he like died. He never came back. Dude, he never came back actually. Yo, holy shit, yo, Boba, yo, thank you very much for the 75 viewer host on Kick. Dude, I didn't even notice. Yo, how long was that, brother? Nah, it was crazy though. Actually crazy. Like, lane's not even bad, just Disruptor needs to do something. Like, the supports need to do something. My lane versus the Abaddon, we're still like ahead. Because I solo killed him, of course. Hey yo, Silent, thank you very much for the Prime Game and Stocking Philosopher. Thank you very much for
what the fuck going on? What in the fuck I missed is this motherfucking bag? Oh my god! Motherfucking
20 out of 20. The starting items, I mean, it's like fine. I don't know. I feel like Stick is good versus Abaddon. Stick is good versus Abaddon, Skywrath Mage. That's all I'm gonna say. But he got it eventually, so it's not that bad. He didn't start with it. Fine, this is like normal.